Hello friends, today we are just sitting with Asus gaming laptop and we are from Electric Doctors. We have changed the power section, repaired the power section of the Asus gaming laptop and it's running. You can see the fan is moving and you can see the display also. Okay, so let's see what will happen later on and we'll give you the update with another video. Thanks a lot for watching the video and please let us know if you anything want to know in comment box. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.